everyone, welcome to your tutor AM, and in this video we're going to be learning how to convert from radians to degrees. So one thing that we first have to understand is the role that pi plays in terms of radians to degrees. So once we have pi, this is simply equal to 180. Is simply equal to 180 degrees. So we have to understand that pi is equal to 180 degrees. So let's say they want you to convert pi over 3 into degrees. So let's say you have been given pi over 3. So how can you convert this pi over 3 into degrees? So that's what we're basically going to be looking at. So if we want to use the whole convergence, the whole converging using the equal sign where we cross multiply and put an x side, would have something like pi divided by pi over 3, because that's what we're trying to convert into degrees, and then here we'll have x. So once we multiply there, we have x pi, we have x times pi being equal to 180. This will be multiplied by pi over 3, and then all this will be divided by pi, implying that here will be divided by 1 over pi. So then we'll end up having our x as 60 degrees. But all this process is long, so why can't we just use a simpler procedure? Now, so let's say you want to convert pi over 3 into degrees. So what you simply are going to do is that you're simply going to have pi over 3, and then you're simply going to be multiplying by 180 over pi, and then you'll be having a scenario where pi and pi divide to 1, and then you'll have 180 over 3, which is 60. Let's go ahead and try out another example. Let's say we have been given pi over 10. So let's say we want to convert pi over 10. So we're simply going to multiply this by 180 over pi. So pi and pi will cancel out to 1. Then we'll have this being equal to 180 over 10, which is 18 degrees. Let's go ahead and try out another one. Let's say we have been given 4 pi. So it's going to be the same. You're simply going to say over 1 and then times 180 over pi. So this helps if you have got a calculator with you in radians, where you just punch in 4 pi divided by 180, which is also being divided by pi. So we're simply going to have pi and pi going, and then we're simply going to have pi over 1 times 180 divided by shift pi. Yeah, so we're going to have 720 degrees. Yeah, let's go ahead and try out another one. Let's try pi over 8. So let's say you have been given pi over 8. This will be times 180 over pi. Pi and pi will cancel. Then you have 180 divided by 8, which is 225. Oh, 22.5, sorry. Yeah, so that's how we convert from radians to degrees.